Hello and welcome back to this fifth video of Introduction to Version Control. In this video we're going to discuss cloning repositories. So we're going to get our existing repositories, and I'm also going to discuss a command that I use a lot, the git hard reset, in case you mess up. And I'm going to wrap up to show you some cool stuff about Visual Studio as well. So, and most studies support this as well. So let's get started. So this command is used to clone an existing remote repository. So for example, I do have this version control. I've just created it, right? For example, I want to make a copy of it. Oops. So yep, go into desktop. Okay, here's the project, right? For example, I've deleted it by mistake. Okay, I do not have it anymore. So for example, I have a new laptop. I've added my SSH key. Now I want to put all my projects in there. Just create new in projects. So here we do have clone, right? Clone, and we're going to clone. If it's HTTP with you change it to SSH, and we are going to copy this link. I'm going to copy, and you open git bash in the project you want to clone it, and you type in git clone, and you paste the code. And now you're going to see everything. And of course you're not going to see the git ignore files because you haven't added them in the repository. Okay. Now let's open VS Code again. You open this with VS Code. Okay. I have this page, right? So let's open it. If visual doesn't allow me, so let's open this. And this is the demo, right? Now for example, if you're working on a project and you've totally messed up, for example, if I did this, okay, and I do not know, okay, this is empty right now, so I don't know, I've modified many files. For example, this is a simple project. You have a few files, you're going to know what's wrong. For example, if I did everything here, okay, and I even delete, this is empty. Okay, I don't know what I made, and I've messed up everything. So now in case of you want to reclone and waste your time, you can use this command, right? And I've talked in, for example, let me just use the extra command. So you use the git reset dash dash hard. So let's type the command. It's going to go to the latest commit, working commit. So it's important you commit your work when you have made significant changes. So I type in git reset dash dash hard. Okay, so you need to move to the directory. So you can see here I'm still in projects. The directory is here. So we just move into cd version control tutorial. So we are now in the master. You will see here. So you type in git. So let's open the ID as well. Here, and here is the command. Type in git reset dash dash hard. And you can see head is now at fixed readme. So the latest commit was fixed readme, so it will automatically get you all the files with all the edits, and you can see if you reload this here, it's working. So this is useful when you've done something and you don't know what have you changed and all. So it's very important you commit important things. So now let's see some what does ID provide for changes. For example, this is a demo test, okay? And let's add like text color, text alignment, okay? So if we click on this here, you're going to see the changes we have made, for example here and here. And if you want to revert the file change, you can just discard the changes and redo the edits, and you can see much more, but it's better you learn the commands for you to get used in case you do not have an ID and you're stuck with just git bash. So with this come to an end this tutorial. I will update the tutorial with more advanced like git merge the branches. So until then, take care and stay safe, and do not hesitate to contact me via email for more queries. Goodbye.